Ever wonder why an object continues to move even after you've stopped pushing it? Or why, when you're riding in a car and it suddenly stops, your body jolts forward? These everyday occurrences can actually be explained by Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, is a fundamental concept in physics. It states that an object at rest wants to stay at rest, and an object in motion wants to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. This might sound complex, but think about it like this. If you're sitting on a couch, you're likely to stay there unless something or someone convinces you to get up. Similarly, if you're running, you'll keep running until you decide to stop, or until something stops you. This law is all about resistance to change in motion. Inertia is the name we give to this resistance. The more mass an object has, the more inertia it has, which means it's harder to start or stop its movement. Newton's first law of motion has three main points. First, an object at rest will stay at rest. Imagine a book sitting on a table. It won't move unless you move it. Second, an object in motion will stay in motion, moving in a straight line and at a constant speed. Think about playing air hockey. The puck glides across the table and keeps going until it hits something. The third point is where external forces come in. These forces can be anything that causes a change in motion, like friction, gravity, or a push or pull from you. These forces can cause an object to speed up, slow down, change direction, or start or stop moving. Understanding Newton's first law of motion helps to explain everyday phenomena. It's the reason why you need to buckle up when in a car, why a ball rolls down a hill, and why it's easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full one. In conclusion, Newton's first law of motion describes an object's desire to keep doing what it's doing, whether that's staying still or moving until something else makes it do otherwise. It's a simple principle, but it's the foundation for understanding how objects move.